this is Debbie from Project 39, and I want to show you a super quick video on some 2 mini albums I made. I was stash busting. I wanted to use up some Valentine's Day paper that I had in my stash, and I'm going to show you what I made. And in the meantime, I'll also tell you all the measurements. I'm not doing a tutorial, but if you followed any of my other tutorials, you can go ahead and make these. The mini albums are 5.5 by 4 1/4. There is a 1-inch spine. The hinge is 5 by 7. I'm going to tell you how I scored that in just a second. But there are inserts that are 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. This is perfect for Instax photos, or if you print out photos, maybe print 2 on a 4 by 6 page, and then you'll have 3 by 4 photos. So I did leave some of the stickers open on the top. I used some of the stickers just to decorate the pages. Really, there's not a flap in the book. It's just to put your photos in, and it's a quick little project. I did put these were stickers. I put them on cardstock, cut around them, and just made them as a little tuck spot. So that is one. And this was stickers that I put on white paper and just cut around it. That was a stamp that I had that I colored to match the paper. That was a border strip from the collection. And I used all of the same paper to make the tabs. So there's one. And let me tell you the scoring. If you have a 5 by 7 inch piece of paper, put the 7-inch side at the top. No. I'm sorry, the hinge is 5 inches tall. I would use a larger piece of paper. I would use 5 by 8.5. I don't know why I put 7. Score at 2, 2.5, 3, 3 1/4, 3 3/4. Oh, I missed something there. Well, good, I have a little bit of paper. 3 3/4, 4 1/4, 4 1/2, 5, 5 1/2, 5 3/4, 6 1/4, and 6 3/4. The pages are simply 8 inches by 5 inches tall, and I scored in half. I laid it down on the hinge, glued it, folded it over, put glue on the bottom, and that was my page. Really simple. So I just used stickers. On this one, I was running out of big pieces of paper, so I just used coordinating cardstock for the inside. There's a sticker from the collection, which matches this page. And there we go. And that's it. A couple of simple little mini albums. If you hurry, you still have time to make it before your significant other gets home from work. And that's what I have for you today. Have a happy Valentine's Day, and thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day.